Miss Jen? Something happened? Alright, I'm soon come. Whisper. Pick up Tony and I want to meet me up at Top Hill. Alright.
Percy, where them say cause?
Them a rule it as suicide.
Suicide. But you don't look like to shoot herself.
Overdose. Fentanyl and alcohol.
Mash up our meds, you know.
It mash up all our mates. Understands that she did closer to her.
We should have come up here when we get the voice note there, you know.
Nobody start with that tea. Don't blame yourself for nothing.
She look like she'd have got to a whole heap of things. And she couldn't manage.
The mess up part is that she never trust we enough to open up to it.
Yeah. But we should have find a way.
Think man, you ever gone already?
Yeah. Miss Jen called him before she called me.
I forgot to do a report now.
Yep. Tonian, you have to go write your first report.
Report say what? Report say me get my first assignment and fail it. Report say she dead. When me go report?
Young lady, hold up your head and take your emotions out tight.
All I will go through this. Whether the assignment go good or bad, we still have to write a report.
So you lose somebody?
But ask you something. You did related to her? Are your sister? Are your auntie? She was your friend? No. She wasn't none of them. She was an assignment. Your job.
The job done, so I report time now.
This are when you understand the seriousness of what you do.
Oh, I don't think any of you understand the seriousness of this.